I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We just got back from the hospital. My daughter is not feeling fine, so I'm really tired. I left the house very early this morning and this is 11:53. That's about 7 minutes to 12 noon, and I'm just coming back. I've not had breakfast, so I'll see you guys later, okay? Okay, my beautiful people, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make a very nice Nigerian delicacy. Is a soup called Groundnut Afang soup. Okay, so what you need is just your groundnuts, which has, you can either use the ones that have been fried first or roasted first, or you can use the raw groundnuts, but that raw one you have to fry it first before using it. Okay, so here, this is my blended groundnut. So I had missed a step and just decided to film. Before I made up my mind to film, I had already done a step, which is I poured red oil into a pot and then put a little bit of onions, a little bit of dawa. Then I poured in my groundnuts, and as you can see here, I'm just trying to more like toast it. You get? So I'm just allowing it to like fry a bit, if I should say fry, but it's more like toasting. Okay, so this ensures that your soup is not tasting raw, or it's not tasting like raw groundnuts, and does not have a weird taste, when the soup is ready. So this soup is very common among the Cross Riverians. I know they have this soup, and the ingredients needed for this is just your groundnuts, your dawa if you want, onions, red oil, your seasoning cubes, and your meat, whatever protein or fish of choice, and also your leaf, which is the secret ingredient here, and that is the Igbos. I think the Igbos know this leaf as okazi. I hope I'm right. Please, Igbos in the house, correct me if I'm wrong, but it's known as Afang. Okay, so this is called Groundnut Afang soup. So after toasting, you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just pouring in the meat stock and the meat. Okay, so I'm gonna mix everything together just to make sure that I get a very good consistency, and this also enables it not to be burning in one side, and also distributes your spices and your flavors evenly throughout the soup. Okay, so after doing this step, you just cover it, let it boil. If you feel you need to add a little more water, you can add a little more water to it, and then just cover it and bring to a boil. The soup is not hard to make at all. Like, it's a very easy soup. Growing up, my favorite soup used to be groundnut soup. So of course when I got married and that was one of the soups from my husband's side, it wasn't a hassle for me because it was something that I already loved. This one just had a twist, okay? And the twist was the leaf, which was, the new thing that I was experiencing for the first time. But it still tastes exactly like, I knew it to taste like. This is really, really, like, it's really nice. So now you can see me. This is what the leaf looks like. It's called Afang leaf, or the Igbos call it okazi, if I'm right. So the soup has boiled thoroughly, so it's now time to turn in my okazi leaf. Guys, if I do say so myself, this soup, hi, kai, 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 kai. I mean, if you taste this particular soup, I'm not saying the one that somebody else made, though. If you taste this particular soup, trust me, you will not only lick your fingers, but you literally have to be begged so you don't eat them off. The soup was so delish. Thinking about it now, I'm just sending. Anyway, let me not digress too much. Okay guys, so I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you picked a thing or two. I want to see you guys make your own afang soup, and please tag me so that I will see how you did. Okay. Babe, I wanted. That's how I now found trouble by calling my husband as per person we get the soup now. That she come and check the soup if I did it well. Come and see what this man did here now. Anyway, it's well, Sha. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next video, right? Yes, it's up on camera. Which is working ever more closely together. The editorial zone told the BBC Sunday before the Kingsburg programme that the government in Beijing was propping up what he called Russia's war economy. He said North Korea was sending enormous amounts of ammunition in support of President Putin's war against Ukraine. And as a result of that, NATO was responding by working with countries outside the alliance. So now, she's 6 months now. Are you putting your food? Yes. Please, where are you from? Say hello. Mama, say hello. You like your food? Yes, we do. Is it yum yum yum? Yeah. You finish your food, yes? So you drink the juice. He was murdered by warm water. Okay. Finish your food, yes? 47 years old. And he was seized. You know that laws. Hey, Mama. Yeah, finish your food, yeah? See, eat your pop. Israel. His father, was also